welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Vlogmas. All right, so in today's episode of Vlogmas, today's the next day after this video right here. So if you haven't watched this video, go ahead and watch that video. You're gonna get the haul. You're gonna get to go shopping with me and see everything that we bought. And in today's video, we're just gonna be decorating and putting that into play. Really getting into the Christmas spirit. We're gonna have some hot chocolate, play some Christmas tunes, and just have a cute little vibe. So I'm super excited to have you guys. And yeah, let's get right on into this video, child, because we have a lot to decorate. We have some subtle decorations. We actually just got this tree right here. Y'all, this is why you don't send. Why my dad got a tree with tinsel? I don't know. What we decided to do was just to add our own lights to the tree. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Here are the Christmas decorations. We hit up Five Below, Target, and the Dollar Tree. And this is everything we got. Like I said, if you wanna see a haul and watch us go shopping, the video I was posted yesterday. So what we're gonna start on first is we're gonna put this garland up. I'm about to TikTok right now how to hang up garland. That's what I'm talking about. Freaking knife is just gonna do it. This is our beautiful garland. It's really short, super cute, but it should stay up by itself, right? Yeah. That's the little garland. Oh, she's cute. Fun fact, we got these from what is it? We got these from Five Below for $2, y'all. $2. So basically how we're gonna hang these up is just gonna put some command strips, and then after we put the command strips, we're gonna figure out how to kind of like hide it a little bit. So we got the command strips on. We have 5 of them, and now we're gonna try to hide it because child, that looks a little get. Obviously we can't do like much, but whatever we can hide, I would like to hide. That's the best we can hide it. So now we're gonna hang up our stockings. From the Dollar Tree. Y'all, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. Y'all are gonna see. Like, but look how cute everything is turning out. I'm actually so excited. This is so cute. Like, what are we talking about right now? What are we actually talking about right now? These are the ornaments we did pick up. But before we do that, my sister made some hot chocolate. So I forgot to buy marshmallows because I really wanted it to give like that marshmallow vibe, but it's whatever, yeah. So the closest thing to Christmas I have is this cup that says, "Faith is being sure of what we hope for and certain of what we do not see." That's Hebrews 11:1. All right, I got my hot chocolate. Let's start decorating the tree. Oh wait, it came with them. I didn't know that it came with some because the ones that we were using, these are like from 2005. Bro. I'm literally not exaggerating. The tree, my dad bought that tree last minute yesterday because he threw my Christmas tree away. He got the one that was on display. The display one. Child, it was last minute. He was like, y'all wanted it quick, right? now everything's set up. The tree looks questionable, but that's because it's daytime. And you know, all trees look so ugly in the daytime, but... Okay. She just woke up from her nap, so she looks a little crazy, but the fireplace looks so cute with the stockings. I literally love it so much. So now what do you mean no? Bought a Christmas mat from Five Below as well that we're gonna go place outside. And I think I kind of want to put lights over the front door. It's a little hot outside, y'all. Florida's been cold for like the past week and a half, but now it's hot during the day and cold at night. But before it was like cold all day, but like it's a little bit toasty outside. So we'll see, y'all, we'll see. But we're gonna go fix up the outside real quick, and then once we're done, bake a little bit of cookies, because I bought them cookies for a reason to be baked. So we're gonna bake them and eat them, and then just have a splendid day. Then I gotta get to editing, y'all, because I gotta post a video today. And yeah, so let's go ahead and fix up the outside, and then I'll give you guys like a good overview of everything. And then maybe we'll see if at night I can give you guys like a cuter, like, you know, ambiance-y type of vibe. So y'all, I wasn't lying, it's hot. It's a little cool, but it's still hot. So ball mat, so I'm just gonna switch it out to this mat. We got this from Five Below, and it's just Santa. He's super cute. And these are the Christmas lights I'm gonna put around the door. Now, I hope it can just fall on the top so that I don't have to do too much. And I hope I don't fall. Y'all pray for me. Ooh, child, I did it. I literally did it, and I have leftover. I didn't even need all of it. Just cute dangle, something simple, nothing too freaking crazy.